All right, so this is our Ram 1500, and here are my top 5 recommended accessories. Let's take a look. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is adding side steps to our Ram. So this is going to help you getting in and out of the truck, especially here in Ontario where we have a lot of ice during the winter time, so it'll save you from slipping and falling. The next accessory that I would highly recommend here for our Rams is the deployable bed step. So here we can see just a small handle that we can pull out just like so that when we go to get inside of our truck bed, it's a nice easy 2-step. One more accessory that I'd like to take a look at is our bed utility group bed rail. So here we have adjustable rail tie holds. So instead of being stuck using these built-in hooks, you can actually adjust where you'd like the tie downs to go. Not only that, you can actually put in box dividers lengthwise to separate portions of the box. Another recommended accessory that I think everyone should have on their truck bed is the Line-X bed liner. First and foremost, it's going to protect you if you're dragging materials through and through. It's also going to protect you from rust whenever you get a ton of snow and a ton of water in here and scratches throughout the years of use. So it's a great investment to make. One more accessory that I would also recommend is the folding tonneau cover. So this is going to be a great one to keep the elements out of your truck bed, keep it off of your tools, your building supplies, your groceries. Anything you put back here is going to keep it safe and away from anybody trying to possibly steal anything as well. So this is one of my highest recommendations. One of our most popular accessories is actually the tire and wheel package. So for example, this one here has some beautiful Goodyear Wranglers. These are very aggressive tires, fantastic if you're going to be doing any off-roading on any construction sites, hunting, fishing, anything like that. You also have quite a large sidewall, which is going to allow for a lot more traction through the mud and snow. If you want to test drive a Ram just like this one, come by the store, give us a call, or send us a message online.